Once again, welcome in my Cricket Chats 2.0. It's a Pepsi Superb Summer Season 2024. Now we are getting closer and closer to start a most awaiting and excited World T20 2024 co-powered by ICC, and it will be held in USA, and the main phase will be at West Indies. So now it's very interesting and very unseen passage, we can say. And it's an unseen passage is World T20 last 8 edition which happened. It is gonna to be ninth one, and it's so funny and so interesting facts I have. So here we go. I think firstly, I am taking a West Indies because West Indies are mainly the main feature of World T20 2024 in Super 8 or maybe Super 10. Will be host in the second phase of World T20 24. So second time West Indies are hosting, and first time in 2010. It's a very rare and unseen. No any hosting nation won World T20 in the history, and since 2007 to 2022 in Australia, means South Africa to Australia, nobody had won ICC World T20, and I think all eight hosting nation has done, but no hosting nation had won World T20. It's a interesting facts. First, it had held in South Africa. India won, and India became the world champion of World T20 of the shortest format. First time, nobody was expecting. In 2009 in England, Pakistan became a champion, second Asian team. In 2010, England became a champion and it held in West Indies. In 2012, in Sri Lanka, first time in Asia, it was holding and West Indies became the champion. In 2014, again in Asia, in Bangladesh, it was holding, and Sri Lanka surprised India. India was red hot favorite on that tournament, reached into the finals. We were expecting we won, but I think a miracle happened when Sri Lanka won. In 2016, very first time it was holding in India, but West Indies, what a game! In the last over, Braithwaite hit a 4 sixes against the unbelievable over against the Ben Stoke, and Ben Stoke would be not forget, I think till the last breath of his life. In 4 years gap, maybe 5 years gap, first time it was held in 2020, but due to COVID, then again it was exchanged, and 2021 it was in UAE, and it was the surprising World T20. India lost to Pakistan. It was unbelievable T20, and it is upsets T20, we can say, in 2021. And also lost to New Zealand. In the history of the World T20, India never won against the New Zealand. It's very rarely fact. So in 2021, Australia became the first time champion in the shortest format, beat I think New Zealand in the final. In 2022 in Australia, first time it was holding, but England second time became the champion. And in all 8 edition, no hosting nation were able to won the trophy, but this time West Indies ex-cricketers expert were are expecting how to win this trophy, and Brandon Sammy, Curtry Ambrose, so many guys were uh, to think recently passed in few months ago. And I was reading the column of Curtry Ambrose in recently days. he is very sure West Indies can be a champion. So let's see what will happen, but it's not easy. It's a sorted format, and anybody can be miracle. Anybody would be surprising, and anybody come as a surprise package. But my four favorite teams are India, Australia, Pakistan, and a last one may be New Zealand. India, Pakistan, Australia, and New Zealand. It can be, and Pakistan are also a dangerous side. India are so. Let's see what will happen. But West Indies, maybe they are also playing in home condition, but I don't think in this sorted format there will be benefit is that if you are starting how you will play on the particular day. So that's the funny and interesting facts. How did you find all the live and great updates you will get here on my cricket chats 2.0, and also subscribe as well. Thank you. Good night to you.